In the modern professional landscape, efficiency and collaboration are not just buzzwords. They are critical drivers of success, particularly in the realm of finance. From managing complex audits to overseeing budgeting cycles and ensuring regulatory compliance, financial teams juggle an immense amount of data, deadlines, and interdependent tasks. This is where a robust work management platform like Wrike steps in, offering a suite of tools designed to streamline operations and enhance productivity. As a finance expert, I've seen firsthand how the right technology can transform a department. While often associated with marketing or IT, Wrike offers a surprising depth of benefits for financial teams, helping them move beyond outdated spreadsheets and disjointed communication. Let's explore the key advantages of integrating Wrike into your financial operations. 1. Unparalleled visibility and control. One of the biggest challenges in finance is maintaining a clear overview of all ongoing projects, tasks, and team member workloads. This is especially true when dealing with seasonal peaks like tax season or year-end closes. Centralized workspace. Wrike provides a single centralized hub for all financial activities. Instead of information scattered across emails, individual hard drives, and fragmented spreadsheets, everything resides in one accessible location. This means no more searching for the latest version of a budget spreadsheet or trying to recall who was responsible for a specific invoice. Real-time dashboards and reports. Wrike's customizable dashboards offer real-time insights into project statuses, individual progress, and team workloads. For a finance manager, this translates to immediate answers on questions like, are we on track for the quarterly close? Or, which team members are overloaded this week? This level of visibility empowers proactive decision-making and efficient resource allocation. Transparent workflows. By visualizing workflows, using Kanban boards, Gantt charts, or simple lists, teams can clearly see who is doing what, when it's due, and what stage each task is in. This transparency significantly reduces bottlenecks and ensures accountability, crucial for maintaining audit trails and meeting compliance deadlines. 2. Streamlined processes and automation. Financial operations often involve repetitive, administrative tasks that, while necessary, consume valuable time and are prone to human error. Wrike's automation capabilities are a game-changer here. Customizable workflows. Finance teams can design custom workflows within Wrike that mirror their specific processes for invoice approvals, budget requests, audit preparations, or compliance checks. This ensures that tasks move through the correct stages, with the right people reviewing and approving at each step. Automated task assignment and reminders. Set up rules to automatically assign tasks based on specific criteria or trigger reminders for upcoming deadlines. For example, once an invoice is marked reviewed, Wrike can automatically assign it to the next person for approval and send a notification. This drastically cuts down on manual follow-ups and missed deadlines. Dynamic request forms. Instead of receiving haphazard requests via email or chat, Wrike's dynamic request forms ensure that all necessary information is collected upfront for any financial query or task. This reduces back-and-forth communication and speeds up the initiation of new work. For instance, a budget request form can include all required fields for department, amount, justification, and approval routing. Reduced manual errors. Automating repetitive tasks not only saves time but also significantly reduces the risk of human error, which in finance can have costly consequences. 3. Enhanced collaboration and communication. Effective communication is the backbone of any successful financial operation, especially when dealing with cross-functional teams, auditors, or external stakeholders. Centralized communication. Wrike allows team members to comment directly on tasks and projects, share files, and hold discussions within the platform. This keeps all communication related to a specific item in one place, eliminating endless email chains and ensuring everyone has access to the latest information. Proofing and approval tools. For finance teams that might handle reports, presentations, or marketing materials with financial data, Wrike's proofing tools allow for direct feedback and approvals on documents and images. This streamlines the review process and ensures accuracy before finalization. Stakeholder management. Wrike enables granular control over permissions and access roles. This means you can invite external auditors, consultants, or even other department heads as collaborators with limited access, allowing them to view progress and provide input without compromising sensitive data. Customizable reports can be generated specifically for stakeholders to keep them informed without overwhelming them with detail. 4. Improved resource management and budget adherence. Financial professionals are all about numbers, and Wrike provides tools to better manage the people, resources, and project budgets. Workload management. Visual workload views help managers see who is overburdened and who has capacity, enabling them to reallocate tasks and prevent burnout. This ensures that critical financial projects stay on track, even during busy periods. Time tracking. Wrike's built-in time tracking allows team members to log the hours spent on specific tasks and projects. This is invaluable for accurate cost allocation for internal projects, justifying resource needs, invoicing clients for professional services, e.g., accounting firms, analyzing project profitability, budgeting insights. While Wrike isn't a dedicated accounting software, its ability to track tasks, time, and project progress can provide valuable insights for budget management. You can see how resources are being consumed and identify potential cost overruns early. 5. Scalability and integration. As a financial organization grows or its needs evolve, its work management tools must be able to adapt. Scalability. Wrike is designed to scale with your organization, from small teams to large enterprises. Its flexible structure can accommodate increasing project complexity and team sizes. Extensive integrations. Wrike integrates with hundreds of popular business tools, including those commonly used in finance, such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, Salesforce, and even specific accounting software via APIs. This means your financial data and communication can flow seamlessly between platforms, reducing data silos and manual data entry. Security and compliance. For finance, data security is non-negotiable. Wrike offers robust security features, including data encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, single sign-on, SSO, and compliance with various industry standards like GDPR and SOC 2, ensuring your sensitive financial data is protected.